Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing these two cards with you, and the size difference is the main characteristic. This is an actual 8 by 8 inch card, and this is your regular sized 6 by 6 inch card. So let's take a look up close. So let's start with the size difference. As I said, this one is 8 by 8 inches. This one is actually a little bit smaller than 6 by 6. It is 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 of an inch, but more of a regular sized one. Now, as for the larger one, I really wanted to use one of Graphic 45's signature sheets, and I had the Mon Amour collection in 8 by 8 inches, so this was the perfect opportunity to use a signature sheet as is, so without cutting it up and showing only part. So I really love these signature sheets. What can I say? I'm a paper lover. What can I do about it? So that is the reason that I did not decorate it very bulkily or very lavishly, because then it would cover up the paper, and that would defeat the purpose in this case. So I did add a couple of flowers here with a leaflet, but that is it on the front. You guys, you can go all out, of course, on these fronts of cards, but I have this this paper collection thing, and I really want to showcase this beautiful paper. Now on the inside I matted both halves, as you can see. This offers room actually for some extra sentiments or even some pictures, because it is so large. So that is an advantage of the 8 by 8 inch format. And here you see how you could do that. You can do two of these layouts here, and you would, well, it would even resemble actual scrapbooking, I guess. And well, I did not choose to do that in this case, so I only want to write my message here. I did do some die cutting here. So a couple of lovely flowers that I die cut from the design paper, so two of those, and then with a little blingy here. And I punched the corners, as you can see. These I cut from the design paper, so these are some cut aparts, and here you can see sort of a belly band, but then underneath the sentiment piece. As for the back, I simply chose a lovely pattern from that same collection and decorated the back. So pretty simple, but as I said, it is very effective in the room that it offers you to do some layouts, and of course it offers you the opportunity to use an actual signature sheet, because you don't have to cut up your paper at all for this size card. Now you will need a large envelope, of course, but you can buy these in your office supply stores. Now this one I added, well, because I had some paper left over, but also to show you the difference. And well, I did this very simply but elegantly. So I cut 4 squares from differently patterned paper, and then I added a cut apart label here that I lifted with some design paper. And I added a die cut sentiment knuffel, which means hug in English. And of course a bunch of flowers here. Now the inside is pretty much the same, well, the same type as you saw here. So room for your writing. I did some glitter glue here, added a flower and a belly band underneath the sentiment piece. And then the back, that is an actual scrap mat. I offer a free video tutorial on my YouTube channel on how to do these, but they are mats, so to mat the cardstock, but created from scraps. So different scraps of paper, so you can see me use 3 scraps here. And this is an ideal technique if you do have some lovely paper left over, but not enough to cover up your entire cardstock piece, like mine here. So I added 2 smaller strips and as a filler, as it were. And look at the lovely frame that offers you. So there's an idea for you. Okay, so these were my 2 ideas. And I did do a 3rd card with the Mon Amour paper. That is this one, and that is a deconstructed envelope type of card. And you can check out my other video if you want to see more of that. All right, and these were the 2 cards. I hope you liked their designs. They were perhaps a bit easier or simpler than the super interactive wallet type cards. But this is also to inspire you and to show you that you don't need to be very complex to make an elegant card. And anyone can do this. You can do this. I can do it too. So there you go. So I hope you feel inspired for your Valentine's Day cards or your other occasions that you may want to celebrate. So thank you for watching, guys. Leave a comment below if you like this video. Press the like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.